Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Instagram to Bento in 2026. If you want visitors to access your Instagram profile directly from your Bento page, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the profile or link page where you want to add your Instagram account. Next, click the Add Link, Add Social Link, or Add Block button, depending on the options available in your Bento account. Then choose Instagram from the list of supported platforms if it's available. Now open Instagram in another tab and copy your profile URL. Return to Bento and paste the full Instagram link into the required field. Next, enter a title for the link if needed, such as "Follow me on Instagram" or simply "Instagram." This makes it clear where the button will take your visitors. Now arrange the Instagram link in the position you prefer. It's usually a good idea to place it near the top of your page so it's easy for visitors to find. Before publishing, click Preview and test the Instagram button to make sure it opens the correct profile without any issues. Finally, save your changes and visit your public Bento page to confirm that the Instagram link is working properly and is visible to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Instagram to Bento step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.